2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I l
Hello mga beshi, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. So for today's video, we're gonna have breakfast at the park with Kobe. Hi, say hi Kobe. So time with Kobe. Let's go mga beshies, come with us. Hello.
Ay, ang sarap dito.
So mga beshies,
Hindi mo nilagay kahit mag-park yun.
we're here at the Adnog Park and we're gonna have breakfast / lunch, brunch. And we just ordered from Jollibee. Spaghetti and chicken. Kobe's here. Let's eat mga beshies. Spaghetti and chicken joy. And then pineapple juice. So mga beshi, this is how the Adnog Park looks like. And it's newly developed because before they don't have this kind of grilling station here. See, there's a special container for coil waste. And this is the designated place for concrete stand for barbecue only. So it's near the Adnog building and the St. Regis Abu Dhabi in the Corniche. And there's gazebos here. And now it's perfect weather to come here because it's not very hot and it's shaded with a lot of trees. So it's really good to hang out here during this time. Say hi. So yeah, I think this is a recommendable place for family picnics and grilling and to celebrate some special celebration like birthdays and all. So yeah, let's go mga beshies. Our baby Kobe is eating some grass. He's so happy. It's his addiction. Eating a lot of fiber. Go Kobe, eat a lot. Happy birthday Kobe! We're here at the park. Ream Central Park for Kobe's birthday. We're setting up the picnic area. Gonna buy here.
Classic burger?
Sorry.
Classic burger?
Yes, 2 classic cheeseburger and chicken wings. Just the classic one as well. Hello mga beshies, we're currently here at the Ream Central Park and it's Kobe's birthday today. We're gonna celebrate it as simple as possible because we just wanted to hang out at the park and have a picnic. So I just bought some food here at the food truck behind me. So let's go! Bought some chicken wings and burger. I'm heading back to our picnic place. Let's go. How's Kobe? Kobe, let's eat na. Kobe, let's eat. I have some food. I have some food. Let's go. This is the chicken wings which I bought from the food truck. Oh, there's a sauce. There's the sauce. And this is the burger. There's more fries.
More chances of winning.
Kobe's enjoying his time at the park. Kobe, finally, he went out of his cage. Kobe. Grabe, big girl na talaga siya. Gucci! Ah! Ang liksi.
Happy birthday, dear Kobe. Happy birthday to you. Check, check, check. Birthday, Daddy Kobe. Birthday, Daddy Kobe. Birthday ni Kobe.
Ngayon, get meow! Kami! Hello mga beshies, how are you? I hope we're all doing well. So for today's video, we're here at IKEA and we're gonna have breakfast. So let's go mga beshies. This is what we're having for breakfast. Big breakfast. Let's go. IKEA. Shopping. Ano? Let's go. Ice cream from IKEA. Chocolate stick. Hello mga beshies, how are you? I hope we're all doing well. So for today's video, we're gonna go to Mina with my camping buddies. So we're gonna treat the mom of Jaina and she doesn't know about it. So let's go.
Hello mga beshi.
How are you?
Takeover vlog. Yes, welcome to Crystal Travel the World. It's Meme. Shout out to Mommy
And Clary.
and Clary. Thanks for looking for me.
We're back here in Mina Fish
Mina.
Market.
Yes.
And again, kami na naman napag-utusan na bumili ng soft drinks.
Yes.
So,
Kami ang mga food runner. Run!
For the win.
Yes.
So, let's go.
Outfit
Come
check.
along with us.
Diba? Tropico, pan-tropico. Pang part-time, pang part-time. See ya! Bye! Vlogag.
Welcome, ma'am. Armenia? It's a no? It's a no. Hi, ma'am.
What happened to your eyes? Parang maga.
Umiyak ka ba, Besh?
Did you cry?
This is our lunch for today.
Tatlo lang daw yung libreng rice.
Seafoods. Yummers. Hi, Johnny!
Mr. Belga, iniwanan mo ang bride. Iniwanan mo kasi siya ng bride.
Gutom yarn.
Wala pa isang buwan.
Beshi! Hi, tita! Hi, Kuya JP.
JP, bro.
Kuya JP here.
Kuya JP.
Welcome, tita.
Mother kasi mainit. Musta?
Oo nga, dyan na si ano.
Si Mudrabel. Tapos si Jana, dito ka na lang.
Sige, mag-assign ka ng seats.
Ako kasi ang
Teacher.
Miss Marlene.
Tita.
Ang sexy ni tita, oh.
Pak.
Bog. Short.
Say hi, everyone. Hello. Enjoy your lunch here. Tita, enjoy po. I know it's your first time here. Enjoy. Ito laging cutie eh. Hi, hi.
Brother.
Mag-hi kayo, mag-hi. Hi, hi. Ikaw naman.
Hello, hello mga beshi.
Ay. Parang yung voice makita. Kung effective. Brother, come here. See you later. Beso-beso naman dyan. Beso-beso naman, hindi pinansin. Oh, so sweet. Like vinegar.
You're so rude.
Ito salam, ito salam. Oo nga pala, ang ingay natin. Sorry. Hello mga beshies, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. So for today's video, it's Gucci's birthday. And we're here in Ream Central Park. We're gonna celebrate her birthday. He's nililito ako. Kasi kasama ko si Kobe. Gucci! Happy birthday, Gucci!
For you. For your mommy. For your daddy, Biko. Biko,
Birthday, Gucci! And Kobe's with us also.
Wow, thank you, Mama. Welcome, anak.
Maluwag daw ang kanyang...
Hindi kasi to ano eh.
Gucci! Andun kay mamang ang ano.
Walis ka dyan na. Kasi kasama siya.
Gucci!
Iurong mo kaya itong ano.
Gucci! Happy birthday!
Ganun mo ulit sa kanya.
Birthday, Gucci!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Birthday, Gucci.
Urong mo kaya dito, urong mo yung cake doon, Nana.
Hindi, aalis din to eh.
Ano, bubuhatin?
Ayan na. Picture Gucci, Linda, din.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Blow your cake. Happy birthday.
Birthday, blow your
Birthday
cake.
na ni Gucci.
Birthday ni Gucci. Ngayon.
Get out!
Ganun mo na.
Blow the cake. Blow the cake na.
Namatay.
Okay. Blow the candle, sagwa na.
Yay!
Oh, picture.
Picture.
Picture, Mama.
1, 2, smile.
Gucci-lin! Gucci-lin!
Brad, ikaw doon, Brad. Doon ka sa kabila, Brad. Doon ka sa kabila.
1, 2, Gucci.
Gucci! Gucci-lin!
The smile on your face has been
Hello mga beshies! Another day here in Abu Dhabi. So it's my birthday tomorrow and we're gonna celebrate it today because it's a Sunday and tomorrow it's a day to work again. So today we're gonna head to Reem and we're gonna try and explore a restaurant, which is a Korean restaurant in Shams Boutique Mall. So let's go mga beshi and I'll show you around that mall and I'll show you as well our lunch for today. Let's go! here, crossing the bridge. Wow, bridge. Inside the Shams Boutique. We just finished our lunch. And it was really good. Their food is really delicious. So definitely we're gonna come back there. So now it's time to walk because we ate a lot of carbs. Let's go. What did you say?
It's delicious.
It's D to delish.
It's a D to delish.
It's so beautiful here, so pleasant. And the surroundings is very clean. Next up here in Chicha Chen. And we're gonna have some milk tea, bubble tea. So let's check the menu that they have. Hello. So this is their menu. And these are their milk teas.
Hello. Good.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you! Andiyan na si Kobe. On the way na.
So, nasan din yung brown sugar?
I think this is the brown sugar. And this is the milk tea.
So, isi-shake mo pa daw yan. Sabi mo.
Hi mga beshi! Tapos na kami kumain dun sa Korean restaurant a while ago. So now we're gonna have some milk tea here. And
First time to try this.
yeah, it's our first time to try. It's called Chicha. Wow, Chicha. Sanchen milk tea. Aray ko. It's from Taiwan. Yung sapatos ko.
So, I think this is legit.
Sorry mga beshi, na-stuck yung yung sandals ko sa upuan. So,
I don't think this is the brown sugar.
ay we.
Because it's so light.
Eh wala kasi ang caffeine. So,
No, I
it's
think that is
from
my
Taiwan.
brown sugar.
This is from Taiwan since 1998. So, I think ang mga milk tea came from from Taiwan. So, I think this is legit. So, I'll let you know mga beshies. Let's try na.
Super good.
Ito sa'yo kasi ito yung may mga ayan yung akin. Oh my God! Ang sarap ng milk tea. I feel like I'm in Taiwan right now. Like, in Taipei. Literally. Ang sarap nung nila. Ano yan? Ang sarap nung sago. It's so soft. I'll try the milk tea. Oo, nakahan nga to.
I think you need to mix it.
Ayoko na matamis eh. So, sakto to sa akin. Sa'yo yan talaga. So, for me, it's, yung sa kanya, 10 out of 10. Kasi matamis to eh. Because mine, I have it less sugar. So, I'll give it a 9 over 10. Let's go. We're now here in a Korean supermarket called 1001 Mart ba yun? I forgot to check. But this is how it looks like inside. There's a lot of products of Korea. From Korea, sorry. Wow. There's a lot of snacks, so bili tayo snacks. Oh, there's kimchi also. Bili tayong kimchi. Kimchi, 12 lang yung kimchi. 12 lang yung kimchi. Oh. There's a lot of items here. Oh, may shoppo. Bongga. Check muna tayo mga beshies and we'll see what am I going to buy here. Dumplings. Let's go. There's pork items also mga beshi. Yung mga non-Muslim items dito sa Korean Mart. Bongga. Let's check it out. Uy, may mga spam. Pero ang mahal ng spam nila. 37 dirhams yung spam. Bibili na sana ako, kaso mahal eh.
1, 2, 3, funk it.